Signet-Chrome technology.
Hello all, welcome to SCT Reviews. This is your pearly voice, an oh-so amorous reviewer, bringing you the latest for all of your technical needs. Today, we're going to be looking at the Razer Blackwidow Ultimate Edition keyboard. At the time, this product retailed for around £150, meaning you had to remortgage your house to afford such a luxurious piece of technical advancement. But nowadays, you lucky cheap bastards can buy it for around £70 to £80. What do you think about that? Neat. So, enough of my rambling, let's jump right in. The keyboard is designed with gamers in mind. That was a rhyme, and it was perfectly timed. But alas, 'tis almost tantric to type on. The Cherry MX Blue switches feel absolutely titillating beneath my withered fingers. The caps on this keyboard are rubber coated, because remember, it's always important to use a rubber. It's also LED lit and looks super funky. This keyboard is weighty and sturdy. Picture this, your home is being burgled by a hooded ruffian, and you need to fight him off with a blunt weapon. This keyboard will do just the trick. Simply wallop that hippie motherfucker over the head and bash in his skull. Surely he'll think again about coming to your door for a fight. Anyway, back to the keyboard. The side of it has a USB and line in and out pass-through. It features a braided cable. Speaking of braids, I used to have those, but now I prefer a tiny landing strip. It has functions for your volume control, meaning you can blast the shit out of your music. And just think, if your neighbors complain, you can always turn it up to drown them out. It has on-the-fly macro capabilities with 5 macro buttons on the left-hand side. Can you guess what else is hanging to the left-hand side? There may be a gaming button on the keyboard somewhere, but quite frankly, I don't have a fucking clue where it is. Nor do I intend to use it anytime soon, but still, it's there. Somewhere. Setting this up is easy, but you should download the additional drivers, as my gaming PC was being a bit of a mechanically frustrated bitch. All said and done, I do love this product. Why? Just yesterday, I was using it to play Call of Duty, when I pwned half of those illiterate squeaker noobs. I give it a perfect 5 out of 5. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. That was also a rhyme, but that one was not intentional. If you didn't like this video, then you can go and fuck yourself.